Will you be able to get a jury verdict in your Maryland medical malpractice case in one day? In other words, can you get everything wrapped up in one day? Want to know the answer to the question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today about this very important question, and that is, will you be able to get everything wrapped up in one day? I'm not talking about a settlement, I'm talking about a jury verdict. Will you be able to get a verdict in one day when you're in circuit court? Well, the short answer is more than likely no. You're not going to be able to get everything wrapped up in one day. Remember, this is a process when we're talking about going through a Maryland medical malpractice or a childbirth injury case. From the initial investigation to talking with experts, to getting your transfer order into circuit court, to going through discovery, depositions, and all of that. Remember, this is a lot, and you're going to generate a lot of information during this process. And when you're in circuit court, when you're getting your case in front of the jury, you're going to have to relay this information. Now, the first stop when we're talking about a jury trial is that you're going to have to deal with picking a jury. In other words, you got to get people on the jury to hear your case. And in this process, your attorney and the defense, the doctor's attorneys, both sides will have an opportunity to ask the potential jurors questions. Remember, this is going to take time. This is a question and answer process. So you're going to have to ask them questions, listen to the answer that they give, and then both sides will come together and pick an appropriate jury to hear the case. Now, once we get past that stage, now we're in the trial. We've got opening statements. We've got statements from your experts. You're going to have statements from the defense experts. Remember, there's a lot that's going on with this process. So why have I taken the time today to share this with you? Because I'm trying to give you insight into this process. I'm trying to help you understand that there's a lot of things that are going to take place before that case is ultimately decided by a jury. And if you're the type of person where you want this thing wrapped up really fast, then you may want to step back and think hard about whether it's in your best interest to go forward with a medical malpractice case. If you have more questions about your situation, if you think that your injury was due to something that the doctors or the hospitals did or did not do, or if you have a child that has suffered a brain injury or some other type of injury at birth, and now you're wondering, you know what, is it time for me to talk with someone, or is there someone who will listen to me about what I've got going on? This is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And what is that action? To go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time to listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. We will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.